Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Connect. In this video, we are going to learn how to send product quotation to IndiaMART leads via WhatsApp. So I am selling my products with the help of IndiaMART, which is an amazing and most popular B2B platform of India. And now my objective is that as soon as I'm going to receive a new lead and new inquiry through IndiaMART, automatically a product quotation should be sent to that same lead via WhatsApp. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For this, we will have to set up a connection between IndiaMART and WhatsApp, and that we are going to do without any coding or programming skills with the help of an amazing automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect works on two principles, trigger and action. So in trigger we are going to take IndiaMART, and in action I'm going to take WhatsApp Cloud API, with the help of which I'm going to send automated quotations to all the leads. And we are going to connect both of them without any coding or programming skills to automate this entire process with the help of Pabbly Connect. And to learn this entire automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video we are going to learn how to send product quotations to IndiaMART leads for their inquiry. So I'm going to create an automation for this entire process, that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead, new inquiry from IndiaMART, then automatically a product quotation will be sent to that same lead on WhatsApp. So with the help of Pabbly Connect, we are going to set up a connection between IndiaMART and WhatsApp, and that we are going to do without any coding or programming skills. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by tapping this URL pabbly.com/connect in our browser. After coming over here, we can find two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, you can directly click on sign in. But if you are a new user, you have to click on the sign up for free button to create your free new account. Also, when you will create your account, you will get 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now, as an existing user, I'm directly clicking on sign in. This is the all apps section, where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here we can find all our workflows which we have created, and we can also create folders over here to save our workflows accordingly. Now to create a new workflow, we have to click on this create workflow option. Let's do that, and here a dialog box will appear in front of us. It is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let us provide a name over here. How to send product quotation to IndiaMART leads via WhatsApp. After giving this name, here I'm going to select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. So I have created a folder with the name as IndiaMART Automations. I'm going to select that, and now let's click on create. As we have done that, we can see that two windows are open in front of us. First is the trigger and the other is action. As I already told you that Pabbly Connect works on trigger and action. So basically these two are the main concepts or the principles on which the entire automation of Pabbly Connect runs. The trigger says when this happens, and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our triggers. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can have multiple actions as we want. Now let's suppose we are going to take IndiaMART in our trigger and WhatsApp Cloud API, through which we want to send WhatsApp message to our leads along with the quotation in our action. And here automatically whenever a new inquiry will be received by a new lead through IndiaMART, the quotation will be sent to that same lead via WhatsApp. So here we can clearly see that action is following what the trigger commands, because when the trigger happens, that means when the lead and inquiry is generated, then only the message is sent through WhatsApp, otherwise no. So after understanding the concept of this trigger and action, let's start creating the workflow step by step. First of all, we have to select our trigger application for that, and that will be IndiaMART, because our objective is that as soon as we are going to receive a new inquiry from a new lead in IndiaMART, then the response should be capture of that lead over here in Pabbly Connect along with all the details, and then with that response the workflow should get triggered. So let's select IndiaMART as our trigger application. Now we have to select the trigger event. Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger or start. So new leads will be our trigger event over here, because whenever a lead will be generated, the response will be captured, and with that response the workflow is going to trigger automatically. Now before moving forward, I'm going to tell you that IndiaMART is based on 4 hours polling time. So when we are connecting IndiaMART with Pabbly Connect, whenever a new lead will be generated in IndiaMART, after 4 hours the response of that lead will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. So in every 4 hours the workflow is going to trigger. Okay, so let's click on connect now. Now to build a connection with IndiaMART account, we have two options. Either we can go for add new connection, or we can select existing connection. So if you already have an existing connection, you can also go with that. But to create a new connection, we have to provide IndiaMART CRM API key. Now from where we are going to find that? For that, first of all, we have to log into our IndiaMART account. So I'm going to tell you exactly what we are supposed to do. For that, first of all, I'm going to take you towards my IndiaMART account. So this is my IndiaMART account. After coming over here, we have to go towards settings section from the left side, and here we can see the option of account account settings. Now from here we can create our CRM API key. So let's select this option, and if you have already created the key, just copy that. But to create a new key, you have to click on this generate key button, which is given in green color. So because I've already created the key, I've copied that, and now I'm going to go back towards Pabbly Connect and we will paste it over here. Done. So in this way you have to find your CRM key. Now let's click on save, and with this we can see that IndiaMART is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. So now after building the connection, we are going to click on save and send test request button, and we are going to receive the last data which was received in IndiaMART from a new lead. So when we are going to click on this save and send test request button, we are going to receive the response of the last lead which was added in IndiaMART. So this is the latest lead response which we have received from IndiaMART. Here we have received the unique query ID, state of the sender, that means state of the lead, okay, name of the lead, demo user, here is the mobile number, and as well as the email. So we have received all the details. When we will scroll down, here is city, address, and here we have also received the inquiry that we have received from the lead. We want to get grid solar power system for our on-site office. Quantity is also given over here as 10 piece. All right. So this means that our connection between IndiaMART and Pabbly Connect is successful. So after building the connection, let's move forward. So now because we want to send quotation for the product which the lead has demanded, therefore I'm going to use WhatsApp Cloud API through which I want to send template message along with a quotation PDF to the lead. Okay, so we are going to connect WhatsApp Cloud API in the action step. So let's select our action application as WhatsApp Cloud API. Okay, so WhatsApp Cloud API has the official API access of WhatsApp. So with the help of this, I'm going to send template message to all my leads. Now I'm going to select the action event that will be send template message. Okay, with the help of a template, I'm going to send message to each and every lead along with the quotation. Let's click on connect. Now I have selected add new connection to build a new connection with WhatsApp Cloud API account. If you already have an existing connection, you can also go with that. To build a new connection, we have to provide 3 details: token, phone number ID, and WhatsApp business account ID. Now from where we are going to find all these details. First of all, to get them, we have to set up our WhatsApp Cloud API account, and then you will find all these details under Meta for Developers. So this is Meta for Developers, and this is the app dashboard of WhatsApp Cloud API over here. Under API setup, here are all the details. This is the access token, phone number ID, and WhatsApp business account ID. So first of all, let us copy the phone number ID. We will go back towards Pabbly Connect and we will paste it over here. Now we want the WhatsApp business account ID. Let's copy that and we will quickly paste it over here as well. Now at last we want the access token. So let's just quickly copy the access token and we will paste it over here. Done. So we have pasted all the details. Now let's click on save. As we have done that, we can see that WhatsApp Cloud API account is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. So let's move forward. Here we have to enter the details in these fields to send the WhatsApp message. First of all, we have to select the template name. So which template you want to use in order to send the message. For that, you have to enter the name of that template. Now, I have already created a template with a name as Solar Bright Quotation. Let me open it and show you. So you'll go to a summary of this template, and this is the template which I'm going to send. It contains the header as quotation for grid solar power system, the product which I sell. Hello dummy, we are glad to connect with you. Attaches a detailed quotation for the product you requested. It contains the per unit price of the product. You can calculate the estimated price according to the quantity you required. Should you have any questions or need further clarification on any item listed in the quotation, please don't hesitate to reach out. Our team is readily available to assist you in any way we can. We are excited about the possibility of working with you, and we are confident that our products will exceed your expectations. Product quotation link. Here I'm going to attach the link of the quotation, and this is thanks and regards Solar Bright. Solar Bright is the name of my company. Alright, so in this message I have used 2 variables, first for the name and the second one is for the link of the quotation. So wherever in the template we are going to use variables, the data of that place become dynamic. That means it is going to replace with each and every response. So in this way I'm going to send this message to all my IndiaMART leads in the customized format along with their own names, and even I'm going to attach the link of the quotation in the variable. Okay, so this is my template. You can very easily create your own template if you want by clicking on this hyperlink, and once you will complete your template, you also have to send it for approval. You will be able to send it to multiple leads according to your choice. Now because my template is approved, I'm going to go back and here in the template name section, the name of my template is selected correctly, Solar Bright Quotation. And as we will select the template name, the language code and template ID will automatically appear over here. Now we have to enter other details. First of all, we have to enter the recipient mobile number, that to whom we want to send this message. We want to send this message to the IndiaMART lead. So simply I'm going to map the mobile number of the IndiaMART lead which we have received from our earlier response. Here Here our previous step is given, and when I'm going to search for the number, this is the number of the lead. So I'm going to simply map that and done. When we have mapped this number, it has become dynamic. That means with each and every new response, it is going to be replaced now. So whenever a new lead will be captured from IndiaMART, automatically the number is going to be replaced from this field with a new number of that new lead. In this way, we are going to send automated quotations to all the leads on WhatsApp without manual efforts. Now after mapping the number, let's move forward. Here we have to enter the body field. Okay, so in the body field, we have to enter the values which we want to use in the place of variables which we have used in our template. As I told you that I have used two variables in my template, first for the name and the second is for the link of the quotation. I want that every time with a new response, the new name of new lead should appear. So for that, I will simply map the name of the lead. Okay, so we have mapped the name of the lead and now it is going to be replaced each time. Now the next body field is of link of the quotation. That means here we have to attach the link of the quotation which we want to send. So this is my quotation. I've already created this for Solab, right? This is the description of the product, the price and the quantity. I'm going to send per unit price of the product, and accordingly the lead will be able to calculate the total cost which they have to pay in order to purchase the number of quantities they want according to their choice. Okay, so now I'm going to simply copy the link of this PDF. And now I'm going to attach this link over here. Okay, done. So now let's click on save and send test request button. And yes, here we can see that the message is sent. So in the response, it is given that the status is accepted. Let's go and check whether on WhatsApp the message is received or not. And yes, here we can see that automatically the message is received on the number from Cloud API, and this is the product quotation link. This means that our workflow is perfectly successful. So let's summarize what we have done here in the workflow. So we have taken very simple steps: trigger and action. In trigger, we have taken IndiaMART, and in action, we have taken WhatsApp Cloud API, and we have connected both of them with the help of Pabbly Connect in such a way that now whenever we are going to receive a new lead from IndiaMART, automatically, according to that inquiry of the lead, the product quotation will be sent to that same lead on WhatsApp. Alright, so in this way, you can very easily create this automation by following the same steps. This was it in this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such applications without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to share it with your friends, and also please like our video and subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.